Alright, welcome aboard guys. Today I'm going to be tackling the Moniker link to CVE. We're going to be linking users' credentials using this CVE to bypass Outlook's protected view. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing today. Let's get right down to it. Introduction. On February 13th, 2024, Microsoft announced that Microsoft Outlook are remote control, execution, and credential leak vulnerability with the assigned CVE of CVE-2024, Moniker link. Heavy link or checkpoint research is credited with discovering the vulnerability. The vulnerability bypasses Outlook security mechanisms when handling a specific type of hyperlink known as a Moniker link. An attacker can abuse this by sending an email that contains a malicious Moniker link to a victim, resulting in Outlook sending the user's NTLM credentials to the attacker once hyperlink is clicked. Details relating to the scoring of the vulnerability have been provided in the table below. MS article, okay, let's check it out. Impact, remote code execution and credential leak. Severity critical, attack complexity low, scoring 9.8. The vulnerability is known to affect the following Office releases: Microsoft Office 365, Office 2019. Okay, affected from learning objectives. How the vulnerability works: understand Outlook's protected view. Let's minimize this. Sorry. Using the vulnerability to leak credentials from an Outlook client. Detection mitigation measures. Note that you will need both the attack box and the vulnerable machine attached to this task. To deploy the attached VM, press the green start machine button below. The machine should launch a split screen. If it doesn't, you can press the blue show splits button near the top right of this page. All of the room can be done in split view, but if you prefer connecting to the machine via RDP, you can use the following credentials. RDP or Remina, right? Remina. And then I guess I want to RDP into do I have the IP address? Just 4 seconds. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. 10.10.215.22. Connecting. Are you gonna prompt me for a username and password? Please do. Oh, I can't delete this already. So, okay. Lost connection. Okay. Probably doing something wrong. So what if I just go here and this is RDP, right? Remote desktop protocol, and then I can pass in the server, and then I can pass in the username, which is this one, and then I can also pass in the password, which is this one plus, and yeah, that's fine. Connect. Yes. Can we connect? Please tell me we can connect. What severity? Yes, we can. Okay. What severity rating has the CVE assigned? Critical, if I remember correctly. Yes. Moniker link. Outlook can render emails as HTML. You may notice this being used by your favorite newsletter. Additionally, Outlook can parse hyperlinks such as HTTP and HTTPS. However, it can also open URLs specifying applications known as Moniker links. Normally, Outlook will prompt a security warning when external applications are triggered. This pop-up is a result of Outlook's protected view. Protected view opens emails containing attachments, hyperlinks, and similar content in read-only mode, blocking things such as macros, especially from outside an organization. By using the file Moniker link in our hyperlink, we can instruct Outlook to attempt to access a file, such as a file in a network share, like this one. Attacker IP and then test, click me. The SMB protocol is used, which involves using local credentials for authentication. However, Outlook's protected view catches and blocks this attempt. The vulnerability here exists by modifying our hyperlink to include the symbol, special character, and some text in our Moniker link, which results in bypassing Outlook's protected view. For example, a attacker IP test exploit. Okay, click me. We as attackers can provide a Moniker link of this nature for the attack. Note that the share does not need to exist on the remote device. as an authentication attempt will be attempted regardless, leading to the victim's Windows Net TLM v2 hash being sent to the attacker. Remote code execution is possible because Moniker links use the component object model COM on Windows. However, explaining this is currently out of scope for this room, as there is no publicly released proof of concept for achieving RCE via this specific CVE. What monitor link type do we use in a hyperlink? What happened? Okay. So let's just show split. Yeah, right. Please wait, sure. Okay, what moniker link type do we use in a hyperlink? So it would be file. This one. What is the special character used to bypass Outlook's unprotected view? This symbol. Exploitation. Okay, for this attack, we will email our victim a Moniker link similar to the one provided in the previous task. The objective as the attacker is to craft an email to the victim with a Moniker link that bypasses Outlook's protected view, where the victim's client will attempt to load a file from our attacking machine, resulting in the victim's NetTLM v2 hash being captured. But first, let's run through a POC I have created, which is also available on GitHub. So open this in GitHub just to check. Has been sent to, okay. Author, schematic, okay. Import SMTP. But what is this? Is this Python? I think it is. Uh-huh. Oh, let's check it out. Yes, it's Python. Python, yeah. Okay, so this is the code that we can run. Let's run through a POC I have created. Yeah. Okay, this POC takes an attacker and victim email. Normally, you would need to use your own SMTP server. This has already been provided for you in this room. Requires the password to authenticate. For this room, the password for attacker at Moniker THM is attacker. Contains the email content, HTML content, which contains our Moniker link as an HTML hyperlink. Then, fill in the subject, from, and two fields in the email. Finally, it sends the email to the mail server. Let's use responder to create an SMB listener on our attacking machine. Okay, for the THM attack box, the interface will be -I ENS5. The interface ipconfig. Oh, I don't have that interface. So what are we talking about here? Oh, okay. Let's use responder to create an SMB listener on our attacking machine. For the THM attack box, the interface will be -I. So what? CMD. Yeah. I don't think so. Let's open the vulnerable machine by pressing CVE. Painting split screen view. Open Outlook by clicking Outlook. But first I have to do this. Then this is my attack box, right? So responder -I, and then ENS5. Must be run as root. Okay. Sudo sudo. Let's just folder -I ENS5. Interface not found. Yeah, let's use responder to create on our attacking machine. The interface will be the interface name will differ if you're using your own device. Yeah, which is the case. So what should I use? If you like some homework, an in-packet server can also be used. Let's open the vulnerable machine. So I will be using responder -I and then at 0. Starting to server import check permissions or starting. Okay. Listening for events. It's not working. Can I use another one? 2.0 maybe. Listening for events. Okay, let's just assume that it's running correctly. Let's open the normal machine by pressing the CVE pane in the split. Yeah, open Outlook by clicking Outlook shortcut on the desktop. Already did. When Outlook has opened, click I don't want to sign in or create an account on the pop-up. Why are you shutting down? Come on. Why have I been disconnected? Reconnect. Does not exist. Terminate machine. Yeah, terminate it. And then I want to use attack box, so I start the attack box. And paste. Okay. Wait, but no, I think this is not the one, but I have to start this one. This is the attack box, which is gonna be Unix, right? Yeah, it is. I don't want that. Terminate machine. I want this one. So note that I will need both the attack box and the vulnerable machine star attached to this task. To deploy the attached VM, press the green VM start machine below. The machine should launch in split screen. If it doesn't, you can press show split VM. Yeah. Deploy both. This machine will take about 5 minutes. Okay. And then I also want to start the attack box. Right? Okay. So I'm gonna be having both of them here. Oh, I see. Okay. I understand now. So what is it that we will be doing here? For this, we will email our victim a Moniker link similar to the one provided in the previous task. The objective as the attacker is to craft an email to the victim with a Moniker link that bypasses Outlook's protected view, or the victim's client will attempt to load a file from our attacking machine. Yeah, resulting in the victim's net TLM v2 hash being captured. But first, let's run through a POC I have created, which is also available on GitHub. Okay. So this is the code from email.mime text, import mime text. Okay, sender email is gonna be this one. Replace with your sender email address, sure. replies with your recipient email address. Password is going to be this one. Enter your attacker email password, has been provided by TryHackMe, and this is the HTML content, which contains a Moniker link, right? Attacker machine, the IP address, I guess. Click me. Okay. Okay. I think I get it. Let's use the attack box and also the machine that we're going to be attacking, which is a Windows machine, right? So now let's just wait up a bit. Then we should be able to scroll or just basically alternate between them two. While we do what we do. Responder minus I and S5, yeah, sure. CVE 2024-21413. I'm clicking Outlook. Yeah, okay. So the first thing we have to do is just set this up. Let's use responder to create an SMB in our attacking machine. For the THM attack box, the interface will be this one. So I should be able to use responder minus I ENS5. Right. Root attack box. And what did I do? Terminal. Root, yeah. And responder. Oh. Yeah, ENS5. So it would be responder minus interface ENS5. Then we should get, okay, still the same error, right? As in my machine. So I should probably just ignore it. Could cut for brevity and then listening for events. Yeah. Let's open the vulnerable machine by pressing CVE in the panel split screen view. It's still loading. Open Outlook. Come on, come on, come on. Please work. Please work. Open Outlook by clicking the Outlook shortcut on the desktop. When Outlook has opened, click I don't want to sign in or create an account. Okay, let's go through that step now. Come on. Okay. Does think it's time, huh? Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Come on, don't kick me out yet. Okay, it's loading. Loading. Okay, I don't want to sign in or create an account. And then it prompts me for something. Then I just have to move it, close it, and then we're here. When completed, you will see the Outlook interface. Yeah, for this room, the victim's mailbox has already been set up in Outlook for you. Yeah. Okay. Return to the attack box. We will copy and paste the POC above onto the attack box. For this, we will create a new file on the attack box. Nano exploit py. So for us to do that, I guess I can open a new terminal window, and then I can simply, where am I? The root. Okay, let's go to desktop, right? And then inside here, let's create bim exploit.py and use the slide out tray in the split screen view. What? For this, we will create a new file in the attack box, yeah, non-exploit py, and use the slide out tray in the split screen view. Refer to the GIF below to see this in action. So yeah, I want to copy, then you just create a file, then you simply paste it, right? Oh, I see. Okay, I see you. So bim exploit, and then I can just insert, and then what I want to do is just copy this POC here, copy, and then here I want to paste clipboard, What? Can I simply paste it? Tell me I can. Looks like no, I cannot. So what? How did you do it again? You just copy and then you open your file and then what do? You click here and then you paste it. No, you copy. Oh, okay. I see what you did here. So allow me to do the same basically. Here, but see here, did I copy? Yes. So now I can copy this and then copy. Yeah. Then yeah, we copied successfully. So now I guess I just have to save it. Once I have saved it, what do we have to do? Return to the attack box. We'll copy and paste the POC onto the attack box. We'll need to do some initial setup on our attack box before running the Python script. Modify the Moniker link, line 12. Is this line 12? Yeah. Modify the Moniker in our POC to reflect the IP address of our attack box. Receiver email. But no, we're not entering here any. What is line 12? Line 12 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 password. No, this is not the one. What are you asking me here? My final link here line in our POC to reflect the IP address of our attack box. To reflect the IP address of our attack box, which is okay. I think you're referring to this part because this doesn't make sense. So I will be placing here the IP address of our attack box, which is 10.10.24.194, if I'm not mistaken. And then what else? Replace the mail server placeholder on line 31. The mail server placeholder. Yeah. On line 21 with the IP of the machine that we're attacking, right? It's gonna be 10.10.1.77. Then we save it, and then we just, I guess we just quit this Python 3, then we go to execute this. Enter your attacker email password, which is gonna be attacker. Email delivered. Okay. The Python script will print email delivered when the email has been sent. If the script complains about the authentication failure, ensure you have correctly replaced the values in exploit py. Now let's turn to the vulnerable machine and check for the new email. Okay, we're here. We're going to go to the vulnerable machine. Come on. Okay, yeah, we received the email with the Moniker link, right? So if I go here, then I click on the click me hyperlink and return to responder. Okay, I clicked on it. We can't find this. Please make sure you're using the correct location or web address. Okay, but I'm gonna go to my responder now. Terminal session on the attack box. And then what do we have? Skipping previously captured hash. Oh, we captured the hash, right? Success. The victim's net TLMv2 hash has been captured on our attack box. Okay, it's not bueno. What is the name of the application that we use on the attack box to capture the user's hash? Responder. Yeah, what type of hash is captured once a hyperlink in the email has been clicked? It is, we have here, uh, this, this net blah 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 hash, which is the one that's being captured. Okay, okay, on to the next detection. Now, a Jada rule has been created by Florian Roth to detect emails containing the file element in the Moniker link. So if I go, I guess this something I should do in my attacker machine. Wireshark. Okay, so this is a way to actually detect this attempt, right? Additionally, the SMB request from the victim to the client can be seen in a packet capture with the truncated net TLMV2 hash. Yeah. Click me to proceed on to the next task. Okay. If we go to remediation, Microsoft has included patches to resolve this vulnerability in February's Patch Tuesday release. You can see a list of KV articles by Office Builder here. Updating Office through Windows updates or the Microsoft Update catalog is strongly recommended. Additionally, in the meantime, it is a timely reminder to practice general safe cybersecurity practices. For example, reminding users to do not click random links, especially from unsolicited emails. Preview links before clicking them. Forward suspicion emails to the respective department responsible for cybersecurity. Since this vulnerability bypasses Outlook's protected view, there's no way to reconfigure Outlook to prevent this attack. Additionally, preventing the SMB protocol entirely may do more harm than good, especially as it is essential for accessing network shares. However, you may be able to block this at the firewall level, depending on the organization. Okay. Congrats, that was fun. As we know, Outlook is an extremely popular email client. The CVE is known to affect a large portion of the Office suite, and given its extremely low attack complexity, it's quite a spicy one. Remember, it is essential to update Outlook through Windows Update or the Microsoft Update catalog as soon as possible, as there's no way to prevent Outlook's protected view from being bypassed. I hope you enjoyed the room. I did. So let's finish it, right? Terminate machine. And this one as well. Okay, did we get anything? No. We've already, yeah, okay, so this was this room. This was kind of easy, but it's because they did most of the work for us. They just guided us through. So yeah, this is a big vulnerability, and most people actually don't update their systems nor their Microsoft Office and stuff. So yeah, uh, just this is a spicy one, as they said. Okay, guys, thanks for sticking around. Until next.